Hey minasan, konnichiwa, Mai-chan desu. Welcome to part 4 of my Fukubukuro unboxing. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, I will link them down below. If you like Fukubukuros, make sure to watch them. For today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the NAMERAKA HONPO Lucky Bag. NAMERAKA HONPO is one of my favorite skincare brands in Japan. NAMERAKA HONPO uses soy as their main ingredient in their skincare line. So I've been using NAMERAKA HONPO for years and years now. Pero first time kong matatry itong mga items na included in this box. So this box costs 2,178 yen and makakatipid ka ng 52% kapag binili mo tong box na to. So nabili ko to sa Donkey no New Year mismo. Lumabas kami nung January 1 to purchase some Fukubukuros on physical stores kasi parang hindi ko na gusto yung mga ibang Fukubukuros na nakikita ko online. So sabi niya dito, Otona no hada nayami ni chakumoku on new aging care. It focuses on adult skin problems and this is the soy milk aging care kit. I really hate to admit na nasa late 20s na ako and I really need to focus more on aging care. Kasi kung nakikita nyo dito, eto, papakita ko sa inyo. Meron akong mga bits of pieces of white hairs. Oh my goodness. And also, nakakita na rin ako ng wrinkles sa under eye and also sa forehead. Kaya, when I saw this, sabi ko, eto na siguro yung sign na kailangan ko ng aging skincare. Oh my goodness. Thank you, NAMERAKA HONPO, for enlightening me. Makikita nyo naman dito sa labas. So, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4 items na included sa loob. This is the cleanser. This is a light moisturizer or Nueki, wrinkle sheet mask, and wrinkle night cream. Let's open the box. First, we have the cleanser. Okay, so, sabi niya dito, Otona no Keia na Taisaku. So, it's a solution for adult pores, tested for effectiveness in making fine wrinkles less noticeable due to dryness. Pag tinitingnan ko yung packaging, parang nahuhumaling ako. It's more captivating for adults. Sabi niya dito, while removing dirt from pores with dense foam, it washes your skin with firmness and moisture. It has fermented soy milk and pure retinol. Feeling ko magagamit ko talaga to. The next item is, this one is Nueki or emulsion. It's a highly moisturizing emulsion of soy milk for firmness and elasticity. It will make wrinkles less noticeable. So, same ingredient siya, soy milk and pure retinol. So, after mo magwash, you'll use this as your light moisturizer. The next product is this one. So, this is a night cream. So, may kita nyo dito, nakalagay na meron siyang pure retinol. Sabi niya dito, it's a highly moisturizing cream that increases firmness while you sleep. Intensive care for your skin's golden time. Adhesion and penetration, good night pack prescription. It reduces the appearance of fine wrinkles caused by dryness. Same ingredients, soy milk with retinol. And then, the last item is this one. This is the wrinkle sheet mask. So, pare-pareho sila talaga ng ingredients. Sabi niya dito, Mochi Puru Puru Gel Nueki. Mochi Puru Puru, ang tawag doon. Very hydrating gel moisturizer. Meron siyang 20 sheet mask sa loob. Yung 1 sheet daw nito has 5 function. Sosui Byoeki Nueki Cream Pack. All-in-one na rin siya. Dun sa mga days na medyo tinatamad kayo mag-skincare, ito lang and then okay ka na. All in all, we have 4 items sa loob and wala na siyang ibang freebie. I still think that this is a good deal. Lalo na if you really want to try out the products first before buying them on their regular price. Especially for me kasi talagang medyo nag-hesitate akong bumili ng mga ibang skincare na hindi ako sanay. I also try to give a review about this skincare products but I'll have to use it for a period of time first before giving you a review. Meanwhile, please watch my other videos. I will link them down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and channel登録 yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye!